moments in human history where a single mind rises so high the entire world is forced to look up. A mind so luminous that even time pauses to watch it think. A mind that does not merely study its universe but argues with it, challenges it, and finally reshape it. Good morning, I am Anushka Vasant Langhi, the student of Standard 9 from New English Medium School, Goregaon. As I stand before you to talk about such a mind that turned curiosity into compass, a mind that transformed imagination into laboratory. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, I am here to talk about the great scientist Albert Einstein. Before I tell you about his birth, let me tell you something far greater, the birth of revolution in thinking. Do you think Einstein arrived with fame wrapped around him? Of course not. He arrived with wonders, he arrived with questions, he arrived with a quiet flame. A flame that world took years to notice, and yet that unnoticeable spark illuminated entire understanding of space, time, energy, and even existence itself. Einstein was born on 14th of March, 1879, in Ulm, Germany. A simple birth date, right? A simplest birthplace, but sometimes simplest beginnings can give rise to greatest of transformation. As a child, he spoke late. Teachers found him slow. Classrooms found him ordinary. But deep inside him, something extraordinary was happening. His thoughts were gathering strength. His imagination was taking shape. And that silence, that silence was ready to roar. What set Einstein apart from others is not just his intelligence, but it is his bravery to think different. He dared to challenge what the world believed was unchangeable. He dared to ask questions for the ideas which were accepted for centuries. His theory of relativity is not born in the laboratory, but in the laboratory of his mind. He imagined himself chasing a beam of light. He imagined time slowing down. He imagined space bending. And from that boundless imagination came a theory that shattered old physics and rebuilt it with breathtaking clarity. His equation E is equal to mc square, energy is equal to matter into speed of light squared, became the heartbeat of modern science. A simple equation, right? But it tells the stories of stars, the power of atom, and even the mystery of creation. While others memorized textbook, Einstein interrogated textbook itself. While others asked, what is the answer? Einstein replied, but is this question even correct? And that ability to question the unquestioned transformed a student into a scientist and a scientist into a legend. The greatness of Einstein is not just limited to physics. While the world admires his brilliance, he admires simplicity. While the world celebrated his intellect, he celebrated kindness. With the hairs that rebelled like his ideas and clothes that often ignored fashion as much as he ignored limits, Einstein became something very rare, something very precious. A genius who remained human. He believed in peace while the world was drowning in war. He defended humanity when humanity was forgetting itself. He received Nobel Prize in Physics. Even at the height of his fame, he nurtured his same childlike wonder, the wonder which helped him rewrite the laws of nature. Einstein left this world on 18th of April 1955, but great minds like his do not die. They became constellations, guiding generations. They became thoughts that refuses to fade. They became a constant reminder that one courageous thought can outlive centuries. Einstein taught us that universe is not understood by those who know answers, but by those who dare to ask impossible questions. So, as I stand before you today, I realize something profound, that the true gift of Einstein is not his equation, it is his example. He taught us that success is not result of perfection, but of passion. He told us that brilliance is not born from answers but from questions, and that imagination, which is often considered as distraction, is not a distraction, it is direction. So, my dear audience, the world needs thinkers like Einstein, students who can question like Einstein, and people who can remain humble like Einstein. The world today does not need another Einstein's mind, it needs Einstein's courage. Courage to be different, courage to be fearless, and courage to see universe beyond what is seen. In this way, we can carry his legacy forward. Before going, I would like to express my heartfelt tribute to this great scientist for his courage, for his example, and for his existence. Thank you.